Hello, this is Miss Cruz speaking, and I welcome you to our language class. The day for today is Wednesday, May 5th, and the year is 2020. I'm so happy to share this video with you. I will request you to pay attention, to take notes, so make sure that you have your notebook and pencil with you. You have to be a good listener to be able to get a better knowledge of the class today. So let's get ready. Today we are going to talk about nouns and pronouns. This is the title for page number 2. Now, a noun names a person, place, things, or idea. We have two types of nouns, common and proper. What is the difference between a common and proper noun? Let's find the answer here. Common nouns are the general names. For example, player, club, team, forward, match, stadium, city. Those are examples of common nouns because we are talking about general names. But when we talk about proper nouns, they are the specific name. A proper noun always it starts with capital letter. It means that all the names are going to be written with capital letter. For example, Lionel Messi. It's a specific name. So we are going to write capital L for Lionel and capital M for Messi. Mexico City is another example. We are going to use the capital M for Mexico and capital C for city. Another example is going to be Champion League. It's in a specific name. It's going to start with capital C and capital L for Champion League. Now, let's talk about a pronoun. A pronoun takes the place of a noun. The word or word that a pronoun refers to or replaces is called an antecedent. Now, the objective of this class is to review nouns and pronouns. Okay, now let's move to page number 3. Okay, the title for page number 3 is pronouns. And you have to remember that pronouns take the place of nouns. And we have three kinds of pronouns. Subject pronouns, object pronouns, and possessive pronouns. Okay, let me read it one more time for you. Subject pronouns, object pronouns, and possessive pronoun. These are the three kinds of pronouns. Now, look the chart that you have here. The chart that you have here, it's singular on one side and plural on the other side. Now, look under subject. It's I, you, he, she, it. Okay, now let's go to the plural side. Subject, look under subject. We, you, and they. Now, let's go back to singular object. Me, you, him, her, it. Plural object. Us, you, them. You use plural when you are talking about two or more nouns. And you use singular when you are talking about one noun. Now look the possessive, the singular possessive. It's mine, yours, his, hers, and its. Plural possessive, ours, yours, and theirs. Now, this is going to be your homework. This is going to be your homework for today. You need to learn. You must learn this chart and send me a video with this information. You need to memorize this chart and share this chart with me in a video. This is going to be your homework. And let's move to the next page, please. Page number 4. Subject, object, and possessive pronoun. You memorized the chart on page number 3, and now we are going to be able to apply the subject, the object, and the possessive pronoun in a sentence. Okay, let's read the definition first. A subject pronoun takes the place of a noun as the subject of the sentence. Here we have the sentence. Math taught us lots of fun campfire songs. Math taught us lots of fun campfire songs. Now, what we are going to do here, we are going to replace the noun with a subject. Remember that we have singular subject and we have plural subject. So here we only have one name that it's underlined. It is underlined and it is in color red. So, math. We are going to replace math with a subject. Which is the correct subject to use for math? To replace math. Math is the name of a boy. So, we are going to change the noun to a subject. And the subject that it's singular. And male, it's he. He taught us lots of fun campfire songs. So we replace the noun with a subject pronoun. And the subject pronoun from math, it's he. You have to memorize the subject pronoun. I, you, he, she, it. That's singular. Plural, we, you, they. In Spanish, it's yo, tú, él, ella, animal o cosa. Plurales. Nosotros, ustedes, ellos. Now, let's talk about an object pronoun. It's used as the object of a verb or of a preposition. One more time. An object pronoun is used as the object of a verb or of a preposition. The sentence, he said he missed his best friend Peter. So this is what we are going to replace with a object pronoun. His best friend Peter. It's underlined and it's colored red. His best friend Peter. So go back to the chart and look for the object pronoun. His best friend Peter is going to be replaced with the object pronoun him. He say he miss him. Instead of writing his best friend Peter, this is a short way of write a sentence using an object pronoun. In this case, it's replacing a verb of a preposition. Okay? Look, his best friend Peter. Now we replace it with the object pronoun him. He say he miss him. Now let's talk about possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns show who owns something and replace a noun in a sentence. Now here we have two examples. The two examples are completely different. The yellow and red tents over there, it's ours. We are saying that the tent that it's located over there, it's ours, that belong to us. The next example is the sleeping bag in the corner, it's hers. What we are saying on this sentence is that the sleeping bag belongs to her. We use the possessive pronouns and we replace the noun with a possessive pronouns. Where are you going to find the possessive pronouns? They are on the previous chart that we just learned about it. And that chart have to be memorized in order to be able to use the subject pronouns, the object pronouns, and the possessive pronouns in a sentence. Okay? If you have any question about how to use this information, you have to ask me. And you have to review the video one more time. And I will try to add another video for more information. Okay? Page number 5. Interjections. What is an interjections? Are small words that bear no grammatical connection with the sentence in which they are used. They express the emotions or sentiments of the speaker or they convey hesitation or protest. They are usually followed by an exclamation mark. Let me remind you what an interjections is. Interjections are words that show strong feelings, strong emotions that are either positive or negative, and they are often followed by an exclamation mark. Okay, now here we have a list of 9 interjections. The first one is ah, meaning exclamation of fear. And an example is, oh, the monsters got me. Do you see the exclamation mark after the interjections? The interjection is in orange letter. Oh, and there you have the exclamation mark. The monsters got me. The next one, it's realization or acceptance. And here we have an example. Now I see what you mean. Now I see what you mean. The other one is something sweet or cute. Oh, just look at that kitten. Oh, just look at that kitten. The next one, bingo. Acknowledge something as right. Bingo! That's exactly what we were looking for. The next one is questions something. That's the meaning of the interjection So, that was all she said? The next one is something disgusting. That movie was so worry. The next one is to indicate displeasure. It's when you say that something you don't like it. I will do that for half the amount he charged. The next one. Oh, I see, I think. Oh, it has been around a week since I saw her. And the last one is, oops, making a mistake. When you do something wrong, you use this interjection. Oops, sorry, I didn't see those skates there. Oops. Sorry, I didn't see those escapes there. And we have more, but this is the ones that I found for the video. But we have ouch. When you have something that it's hurting you, you use this one, ouch. Another one is wow. When you are surprised, you use that. Wow. Another one is yes. Another one is going to be, okay, let me find another one. Awesome. Yes. Wow. Help. Ouch. Okay, there you have some more examples of an interjections. Remember, an interjection is the one that it's used to show strong emotions that are either positive or negative. And you always are going to use an exclamation mark after the interjections. Okay, page number 6. This is the final page of the video, but before I explain the homework, I will do a quickly review of the class. We talk about nouns and pronouns. You have to know the definition of a nouns and a pronouns. And also you have to know the two types of nouns that we have. Remember, common and proper. Common is when we talk about something general, and proper is when we talk about a specific noun. And always is going to start with capital letter. Then we have the subject, object, and possessive pronouns. You have the charge, and it's important, like I said before, that you memorize this charge. After that, you have the definition of the subject, object, and possessive pronouns and the examples, how this can be used in a sentence. How can you use a subject, object, and possessive pronoun in a sentence? In page number 5, you have the interjections. Interjections, you use then to express or to show strong feelings or strong emotions that can be positive or negative. And there you have night of the example, the meaning, and where are you going to use them. And something important when you use in the interjections is that you must use an exclamation mark after the interjections. Now let's talk about the homework. You need to study this information. It's very important that you listen to this video carefully. That when you copy page 2 through 5, that you have to be sure that you understand what you are doing. You need to copy page 2 through 5 in your notebook. And the second part of the homework is going to be that you memorize the chart on page number 3 and you send me a video as an evidence. It means that you are going to be in the video and that you are going to let me know that you are going to prove me that you memorize the chart. And remember, when you copy the information in your notebook, make sure that your work is neat and tidy. And when you send me the video, make sure that you memorize the chart. Okay? You can send me the video today or you can send me the video tomorrow. But you must send me the video. Don't forget. So this is going to be all for today. And another thing that I will like to remember you is that today we are going to have our Zoom class. So write down your questions, and when we work connected and when we have the class review today at 4 via Zoom, you should be able to ask me questions about the phonics and the language class. Okay? I will see you soon. God bless you. Thank you. Bye-bye.